Hello and welcome back to Roy's the Boy. Now, as you can see on the bench here, I have got a Alco lawnmower. You can't see the actual name, but it's got a broken wheel and it needs to be fixed. So before we go and fix it, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit that grey notification bell, and then you'll be told when I'm going to be doing any more. So let's see if we can go and have a look at this wheel, see what the problem is and see if we can fix it. Right, so what has happened, as you can see on there, that has been severely cross-threaded, and I'm looking at the same actually on the where it goes into, because it doesn't have a nut on the other side. They just screw in and hold, which I would have thought they would have had a nut on, like the Mountfields on the fronts. They have a nut. So what we're going to do first, I'm going to take the other side of the wheel off, have a look at that bolt and see what thread it actually is, and see if I can re-tap and dye these to see if it will fix, and if it does, and then I will see if I can get a nut on the other side to stop that coming out. So let's get the other wheel off and then I'll come back. Right, so what I have found is an M8 tap. So what we'll do is we'll see if we can re-tap these first, and then try and do the actual bracket, and then if it does work and a bolt holds onto it, then hopefully this will be a simple job. But then I will try and put a bolt onto it to let's just put a bit more of a, I've only got WD-40 there, just to is that straight? Yes, it is. Just making sure that, just do it nice and slowly, there's no rush. Right, what I'm going to do is first, I'm going to give that a little airline, a little blow out first, just to get rid of some of that metal. A bit more spray. As you can see, it's actually re-tapping it quite nice. So hopefully this is going to be done very soon. There we are. It's getting there. I'm surprised that these Alcos, I mean, the amount of weight that's going to be on these little threads, that they haven't put a nut on the insides of them as well to hold them on properly. I mean, like the Mountfield lawnmowers on the front wheels, they've got the same sort of thing, and they've got a 13mm. See, look at that. That's sorry, get it there, innit? So we'll give that a clean off, and we're going to tap the other side as well. Right, okay, so let's try this one now. Let's get the WD-40. Right, tighten these up. Let's see if we can get this. Make sure it's in straight. If this one can't do, then what I'll do is I'll just drill that through. Okay, right, so it is cutting. Cutting it's a bit too easy for my liking, so I'll well, it didn't take much at all, did it? Right, I think that's done. Let's take this off like that. Don't want it to start cutting it, now it's not going to come out tight. That's it. Well, let's get the airline and blow that out a bit as well. That's it. Right, let's get the wheel and then we'll put this back together. Right, okay, I did offer that into there. The inside of this hole is completely had it really. As you can see, it's not going in too good, but when it does go in, it's very loose. As you see, look, it just went in sideways slightly. So let's take this out again. That's one of the washers which goes flat onto there, which is split as well. So I've got another. It's slightly smaller, but it will have to do. I've got the 30mm bolt, and so what we're going to do now is we're going to offer this in. This goes into there like that, and then we'll put that little spring washer onto there, and we'll offer that into there, and then I'll get the 30mm bolt, sorry, the 13mm nuts. Let's get it right, get it correct. Let's get these things right. So it's holding in there. Let's hope it does hold in. So now what I need to do now is get that, and it's 15mm. I'm going to use a spanner on this because I ain't going to overdo it. Is that the 15? That's the wrong size. I'm going to hold that one and I'm going to turn this one. It's going to be a lot easier. Don't want to over tighten it. And there you are, one fixed. Let's just do a double check on it. There, and there you are. So just let you know to see what I've actually done. As you can see, where it goes straight into there, and all I've done is just put a 30mm nut on it, which has actually done the job. So there you have that on this one. Very simple repair. It's nice when these ones come in, and they are quite easy. It's probably taken more time to make this video than it has to repair this job. As you saw, I put a nut on the other side. So what I'm going to do for the fella is that I'm going to put some nuts on the other three wheels as well, because if this one's done it, I'm sure the other one in time may do it, and that will stop any more problems for him. So that's all there is on this one. I hope you like this one. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget, subscribe to the channel and hit that grey notification bell where it says all, and then you'll be told when I'm doing another video. So that's all there is on this one. So until next time, cheerio.